Samsung's Galaxy Z Flip 5 has shattered pre-order records, with over 1 million units sold in South Korea alone. This is a significant improvement over the Galaxy Z Flip 4, which sold 970,000 units in the same time period. There are a few reasons why the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is so popular. First, it is more affordable than its predecessor, starting at $999. Second, it has a number of improvements over the Galaxy Z Flip 4, including a new hinge that makes it more durable, a larger cover display, and a longer battery life. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is also benefiting from the growing popularity of foldable phones. Foldable phones are becoming more mainstream, and the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is one of the most affordable and stylish foldable phones on the market. It is still too early to say whether the Galaxy Z Flip 5 will be a success in the global market. However, its strong pre-order sales in South Korea are a good sign. If the Galaxy Z Flip 5 can maintain its momentum in other markets, it could be Samsung's most successful foldable phone yet. Here are some additional details about the Galaxy Z Flip 5. It has a 6.7-inch internal display and a 2.1-inch cover display. It is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor and has 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage. It has a 3,900 mAh battery and supports 25W fast charging. It has a triple-lens rear camera system and a 10-megapixel front-facing camera. It runs on Android 13. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is available in 3 colors: black, white, and green. It is available for purchase now from Samsung and select retailers.